I remember that night. The sunny days are back.
Sedona traffic, Cessna taking off 21 northwest departure, Sedona.
Living in front of the sea, I remember that night. I remember that night. Laughing around the fire, I couldn't feel much better. The sunny days are back. The sunny days are back. I never saw that we'll be living in front of the sea. I remember that night. I remember that night.
Remember that is your Papa, make one more 360 in your present location.
One more 360 to the right, present location, 90 Papa.
Options 371, start that base turn, tower 11875, have a good afternoon.
Give me 1875, we're in turn now.
Can you accept runway 19 left there for your arrival runway? Change to runway 19 left and clear to land.
Clear to land on 19 on left, 90 Papa.
That's your pop, your right turn Sierra, cross runway 19 or right, and then contact ground on point 1. Thank you for your help.
The sunny days are back. I never saw that we'll be living in front of the sea. I remember that night. I remember that night. Laughing around the fire, I couldn't feel much better. The sunny days are back. The sunny days are back.
3390 Papa, ready for departure, 19 left.
That's your papa, thank you. Hold short, runway 19 or left.
Hold short, 19 left, Papa.
390 pop, runway 19 or left, line up and wait.
19 left, line up and wait, Sierra Papa.
That's your papa, winds 26027 just before, runway 19 or left, clear for takeoff.
19 left, clear for takeoff, 9 Sierra Papa, thank you. Midfield right down with runway 21.
Cessna 9 Sierra Papa, runway 21, cleared to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, 9 Sierra Papa. So, landing.
The sunny days are back.
Goodyear Tower, good day, 3390 Papa on intersection, Alpha 2, runway 21, ready for departure and request straight out departure.
30 Papa, roger, runway 21 and Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, on course approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21 on intersection, Alpha 2 and straight out departure is approved. 3390 Papa, thank you. Tower, Skyhawk 3390 Sierra Papa.
Skyhawk 3390 Sierra Papa, Sedona Tower, runway 15 left, clear to land, traffic will be landing and departing runway 25 prior. November Niner Sierra Papa, cross runway 25 at Bravo, right turn on Charlie.
We're clear to cross runway 25 and right turn on Charlie. 90 Papa.
Find it right in my own time. You hurt me one time, but it won't happen twice. Days on end.
Cessna 33 Niner Sierra Papa, runway 25, clear for takeoff, wind 140 at 5.
Runway 25, cleared for takeoff. November 3390 Papa. Between the lines, days on end. Selbstverständlich. Danke. Salzig oder süß? Salzig, also kannst du eher alleine essen. Ekelhaft.
I can find my